In this video, we will be connecting our WordPress website to Claude Code through MCP Server using the SophMate plugin. First, we go to the Settings page under SophMate menu, and then go to the Copilot tab. Scrolling all the way down, we can see the MCP inbound server configuration. Let's enable the inbound MCP server, then press the Save button. We also press the Connect to Client, then the Copy button next to the Terminal command. Now, going to the terminal, we paste the command we copied earlier and press Enter. Then we type Claude, then press Enter again to open Claude Code. Here we write /MCP to open the MCP list, and under there, we locate the SophMate MCP server and we authenticate with the server. Here you will see the authorization page, and now we will press Authorize. Going to the MCP settings again, we can see our connection being added here. The default connection will only allow read-only tools. We can add the write access as well by pressing Configure Access, and then under Access Preset, we select All Tools, then enable the Allow Execute Without Site Approval to bypass the approval for every action. Finally, we press Apply Access Preset, then the Save button. Now we are ready to use Claude Code to control our website. Now we go to Claude Code and ask it to write a sample post for us. Claude finished the post creation. Let's go and check it in the Posts page. Here we can see the created sample post and its content. Hope this was helpful to you, and I will see you in the next one.